Today I will be performing the Charles Law at home experiment. So I have my balloons labeled 1 through 9. I have my thermometers set up, one in the fridge and one outside, and then I'm in a room temperature area right now. I have my string that I'm going to use to measure the balloons, and then I also have my ruler, a marker to mark the string, and scissors to cut the string. So the first step is going to be to, once you have everything like blown up, and you have to first measure the circumference of the balloon. And so I use the string and to match where it meets, and then I use my marker and I'm gonna mark it, and then I'll cut it and use my ruler to measure it and record it all in my data table. So I've already completed these steps. I have here, let me show you. I have all my labeled balloons, and then I have my strings in my data table that I'm recording all the information. I'm now starting step 4. I'm going to put 1/3 of the balloons in the fridge, put 1/3 of the balloons outside, and then set a timer. So I'll put the red balloons in the fridge since they're the smallest. And I have my thermometer in the fridge. And it's 45 degrees Fahrenheit in the fridge right now. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the blue balloons. I will put these outside on the back porch, which I also have a thermostat out here. Okay, so I have the 3 balloons. I'm going to set them out here outside. It's kind of nasty out here. And then the temperature out here is 78 degrees Fahrenheit. The 30-minute timer just went off, so I'm going to be re-measuring the control balloons. The timer just went off for 60 minutes, and so I'm going to be re-measuring my room temperature balloons. And the temperature is still the same, 71 degrees Fahrenheit. I will now be taking the balloons out of the fridge to take their new circumference. I'm going to do it one at a time, and the temperature in the fridge is 44 degrees Fahrenheit. And lastly, I'm going to take the circumference of the balloons that have been sitting outside. It is 77 degrees Fahrenheit outside. And here's the balloons. All the data has now been collected, and I'll put all the information in the data tables, and that's it. You can definitely tell that the balloons from the fridge and outside are smaller than they were, and so the room temperature barely changed.